Hello and welcome to one of my videos about proven business training methods. I am William Winch, a business growth specialist, and I help other struggling marketers to grow their home-based businesses without breaking the bank. At the end of this video, I will also let you know how you can get my free 20-page report on how to explode and expand your business. Now, today's topic is about why effective positioning is not optional for your business success. First of all, we're going to be talking about marketing versus sales. Then we're going to be talking about what's actually being taught in our industry that we should stop doing. And then finally, the 3 important rules to create success and to help position yourself better and to create the success that you're looking for in your business. But before we chat about that, we need to understand our single most important role as a home-based business owner. You have to ask yourself, what's the single most important function of your business? Many would call it sales, we call it marketing. This all comes down to the whole push versus pull scenario. In other words, helping a prospect to arrive at a decision as opposed to convincing them to arrive at a decision. Marketing, without doubt, is the most important thing you can and should do for your business. That's what feeds you and that's what keeps the lights on and pays the rent. Now, you can have a great product, fantastic customer service, an upline that picks up their phone and responds to your needs, but without effective marketing in place, everything else is unnecessary. Yes, it's unnecessary. If you're not moving your products, why would you need all that other stuff? One of the strangest phenomena that we witness is some of the very first actions that home-based business owners take when they get started into business. You know that list. You've seen it. Probably you've even done some of the things yourself over the years. So here are just a few things of what you're being taught. First of all, to go out there and buy thousands of business cards and pass them out wherever you go. Then purchase a ton of product inventory. And don't forget those motivational tools. The product handouts, the audios, the marketing CDs, DVDs, all the other stuff, that the must-have items to grow a business. Now, there's a ton of other items too, but this is a good starting point. What's the one thing that should be at the top of your mind and the first priority for a new or even a seasoned home-based business owner? How about how to use marketing pieces and how to deliver messages that will bring prospects to you, like a commercial 5-ton magnet? Ultimately, the most important tool a home-based business owner could ever learn to use is how to be a better marketer. I know, when people think about being a business owner, most don't think about becoming a marketer, but that's what you are. And it's not a bad thing, so be proud of it. Well, what actually is a marketer? As a marketer, you learn the art and science of having prospects approach you, not the other way around. This is the key to growing a massive organization. Marketers move products and sell lots of them. If you don't get paid. Your family doesn't eat. And all of those dreams you had about the fancy house, the sports car, all those things, they're going to remain just a dream. One of the most important pieces of mastering marketing is to understand, to implement, and master the skill of positioning. Positioning yourself in all facets of your marketing, whether you're dropping postcards, handing out business cards, setting up data capture pages, also called squeeze pages. This is one concept that becoming really proficient is not optional. This is how large organizations are built. This is how huge companies get big and stay big. This is how leaders get up on stage every week and watch their downlines grow by an enormous amount of reps in less than an hour or two. This is how you're going to grow massive downlines too. With every aspect of your marketing, there are 3 very important yet basic rules to live by. First of all, always lead with your product. There's always a better paying opportunity out there, I promise you. By doing this and leading with your product, your retention rates will be higher too. We'll chat about that in future videos. Always remember to position yourself. Make your prospects see and feel your passion and let them understand why you are the expert and why they should go to you to purchase their products. Your marketing pieces should be trackable. In other words, you should be able to see how well or not so well your marketing is performing. You want to ultimately know what's giving you the greatest return on the marketing dollars and what you're using so you can do more of it, and what aspects of your marketing are costing you money so you can do less of or even eliminate those things that are performing poorly. Bottom line, to grow a business and to do so in a big way, it has nothing to do with chasing others, driving all over town, and micromanaging your business. It has everything to do with putting the numbers of success in your favor And the only way you can do that is by having large numbers of people that are approaching you daily and weekly and asking you for more information. That, my friend, is effective positioning. Regardless of what you're marketing, how great your products, how long your company has been around, and whether you're private or public, and having others approaching you is how you build a large organization. In closing, I would like to remind you that this video is going out to thousands of home-based business owners just like you from dozens of different countries. And I promise you that I didn't chase one single person to watch this video. Just a thought. But have you started to build your list yet? This is a whole different topic for another day, but it's definitely something to be adding to your list of tasks of things to get done. The next time you're creating a capture page, make a business card or working on a postcard or any other type of marketing material, think about how you're going to position yourself. Well, I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you want more free tips, get my free 20-page report to learn how to explode your business by using proven methods. Just click on the website. It's located up to the right of this video, just under my picture. Submit your information and you will receive your free report in your email. This is Bill Winch saying, make this the best day of your life. Bye for now, and we'll see you at the top.